Góðan daginn, hi, welcome back to Icelandic for Foreigners. I'd like to begin by saying thanks for watching my videos, thanks for supporting me, and for subscribing. I also appreciate all of your comments and your questions that you've been leaving. And I know I've already told you a lot about myself, so now I want to get to know you a little bit more. So if you're comfortable, I'd love it if you would leave a comment below telling me about where you're from, what your background is, why you're learning Icelandic. I want to get to know who's watching my videos. I personally love connecting with people. I love meeting people from different cultures, different backgrounds, different countries, and I think there's so much that we can learn from all the similarities and all the differences between us. It's a great experience. That's why I love learning languages. So if you feel comfortable, please leave a comment. I try to read all your comments. I try to respond, as many of you know. Also, feel free to reach out to me at my email address, icelandicforforeigners@gmail.com. You can hit me with your questions, or if you just want to get to know me better, feel free to communicate with me by email. And stay posted for some exciting content coming up, and I appreciate it. Bless, bless.